Budgeting is often misunderstood. A lot of people think budgeting only means cutting expenses or limiting spending, but the real purpose of budgeting is much bigger than that. Budgeting is about understanding how your money moves, where your income goes, and how your financial habits affect your future. When done correctly, budgeting becomes one of the most powerful tools for improving personal finance, increasing cash flow, and building long-term financial stability. Many people struggle financially not because they do not make enough money, but because they do not fully understand how they are using the money they already have. Small daily expenses, impulse purchases, forgotten subscriptions, and inconsistent spending habits slowly affect overall financial health. Without tracking these patterns, it becomes difficult to improve savings, grow investments, or create extra income opportunities. A strong budgeting system creates financial awareness. Instead of guessing how much money is available, you can clearly see your income, expenses, and financial priorities. This level of visibility allows you to make smarter decisions and stay focused on financial goals instead of reacting emotionally to spending situations. One of the most important benefits of budgeting is recognizing financial patterns. When you regularly review your finances, you begin to notice which habits are helping your financial growth and which habits are slowing you down. Some people realize they are spending too much on unnecessary purchases, while others discover that a side hustle or freelance project has the potential to become a stronger income source. Budgeting also helps improve accountability. It becomes easier to stay disciplined when you can clearly see how every financial decision affects your overall cash flow. This creates a stronger connection between daily spending habits and long-term money-making goals. Another important part of budgeting is using simple personal finance and accounting tools to stay consistent. Consistency is one of the biggest reasons some people succeed financially while others struggle to maintain progress. Even the best budgeting plan will not work if it is only followed for a short period of time. Budgeting spreadsheets, accounting software, expense trackers, and personal finance apps make the process easier and more organized. These tools help monitor spending, track savings goals, review income sources, and manage cash flow in real time. Over time, using these systems regularly creates stronger financial habits that become easier to maintain. Financial tools also reduce stress because they provide clarity. Many people avoid looking at their bank accounts because they feel uncertain about their finances. When finances are organized and tracked properly, it becomes easier to plan ahead and make financial decisions with confidence. Strong personal finance habits are not about perfection. They are about building routines that support long-term financial growth. Small, consistent actions often create better results than short periods of extreme budgeting, followed by overspending. Another major part of effective budgeting is making sure your spending aligns with your financial goals. Many people say they want financial freedom, higher income, business growth, or passive income, but their spending habits often move them further away from those goals. Budgeting helps close this gap by making spending more intentional. When your financial decisions support your long-term goals, your money begins working with more purpose. Instead of spending impulsively, you become more focused on purchases that improve your financial future. This may include investing in education, business tools, certifications, marketing, equipment, or opportunities that help increase income over time. This shift in mindset changes the way budgeting feels. Instead of seeing budgeting as restriction, you begin seeing it as financial strategy. Every purchase becomes part of a larger plan connected to growth, stability, and long-term success. Budgeting also improves discipline around saving and investing. Rather than immediately spending extra income, you start looking for ways to build stronger cash flow, prepare for emergencies, and create future opportunities. Over time, these habits can lead to better financial security and reduced dependence on debt. Cash flow management is another important reason budgeting matters. Many people assume that earning more money automatically solves financial problems, but poor cash flow management can create financial stress even with a high income. Budgeting helps organize how money enters and leaves your accounts, making it easier to stay financially stable. Small financial adjustments can often create major improvements in cash flow. Reducing unnecessary expenses, increasing savings contributions, avoiding late fees, or creating additional income streams can strengthen financial stability faster than expected. Better cash flow also creates flexibility. It becomes easier to handle emergencies, invest in opportunities, and make decisions without constantly worrying about money. As budgeting and accounting habits improve, financial confidence also improves. Money decisions become less stressful because there is more structure, awareness, and control. Instead of feeling uncertain about finances, you begin making decisions based on actual numbers and realistic planning. At the end of the day, budgeting is not simply about tracking expenses. It is one of the most effective personal finance habits for improving cash flow, supporting money-making goals, and creating long-term financial growth. With consistent budgeting, smarter financial decisions, and strong accounting habits, it becomes possible to take control of your income, strengthen financial stability, and build a better financial future over time. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.